Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Bombay Masala Aloo Wrap. Let's get started. To make the dough, take half cup whole wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा, and half cup all-purpose flour, that is maida. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Next, add 1 tablespoon oil. You can use any cooking oil in this recipe. Make sure you mix the oil and flour really well before you start adding water to make a dough. Now add water and make a dough of medium consistency. The dough should be medium soft. Gradually add water and knead till the dough comes together. Once the dough comes together, it's important to keep the dough for some time, that is, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Before resting, apply some oil and then cover with a plate or a cloth and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's prepare the stuffing. So for that, take a kadhai or a pan and add around 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Fry the onions till they turn slightly pink in color. Keep the flame between medium to high. Next, add 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame low and saute till the raw smell is gone, would take around a minute. Then add 1 green chilli, you may add 1 or 2 as per your taste. Fry for a few seconds, like 5 or so, and then add turmeric. After adding turmeric, again fry for 5 to 7 seconds. Next, add 3 small to medium sized boiled potatoes, boiled and mashed potatoes. Half teaspoon red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. Keeping the flame low, mix till everything is well combined. While mixing, you can also mash the potatoes further with the back of your spoon. Finally, add some chopped fresh coriander. Our delicious stuffing for the wrap is ready. Let's quickly prepare a masala mix. For that, take 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon pav bhaji masala and 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Add a little salt as per your taste and give this all a good mix. We'll later use this as a sprinkle. This masala tastes so delicious, it's very easy to make, don't skip it. Let's move to the dough. Dough has been resting for 10 minutes and now I'm going to remove its cover and knead it again for a minute or so. Resting and then kneading makes the dough really smooth and soft. Now divide the dough into 2 equal sized portions. Sprinkle some maida or atta and roll this dough into a thin sheet. Roll it the way you roll your roti or chapati. But make sure it's big and thin. If you make it small, it would be difficult for you to fold the wrap later. Apply a little maida or atta if required. Put this on a hot tawa. Keep the flame between medium to high. Cook on one side for around 10 to 12 seconds, then flip and completely cook on the other side. Use a cotton cloth like this to make sure that the edge is also cooked. Flip and again cook on the other side, which was left slightly uncooked. In short, make it the way you make your roti. So this is done. Repeat the same steps. If you want to make this for a party, you can make all these roti chapatis ahead of time and later before serving you can just assemble, toast or grill the wrap and serve. You can also make a regular roll with this roti or chapati. Keep the wraps or roti in a cotton cloth while you're making the other ones. Now let's assemble. Take one roti or wrap. Take your knife and cut as shown. So you don't need to completely separate it into 2 halves. Apply some butter. Now here I've got some green chutney. I've made this chutney with the ingredients you can see on your screen. Just grind them in your mixer grinder and make this chutney. You can also make this chutney and store in your refrigerator. Apply this chutney or spread this chutney in 1/4 of the roti. Place some stuffing potato mixture on the other quarter. Next, place some tomato slices, cucumber and onion. Finally, sprinkle some prepared masala. Don't skip this step. Add as much as you like and fold the way I'm doing. This is what it would look like. Similarly, assemble the other wrap. Apply some butter on one side of both the wraps. Meanwhile, heat your tawa or pan and place this buttered side down. After placing the wrap, you can apply butter on the other side of the wrap. This is a tip which I always follow whether I toast my wraps or sandwiches. Keeping the flame low, toast the wraps on both the sides till they become golden. If you want, you can toast your wraps more. Once they are done on both the sides, take them out in a plate or your serving platter. Apply a little more butter before serving. Finally, sprinkle some save, coriander and the prepared masala. Serve these wraps right away. These taste so amazing when they are hot. I mean, they would still taste good if they cool down, but serve them hot. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!